To install the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, click the button at the top left of the screen. The official Arduino site will open to the software page in a new tab. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu, and then click the download button. Read the terms of service and select Agree to continue. Click the Install button to begin the installation. And now we wait. Click Finish and the Arduino IDE should open in a new window. In this space, we write C++ code that tells the microcontroller what to do. Arduino refers to each program as a sketch, much like a draft or blueprint for your project. In the drop-down menu, select the Uno board and the port with USB when the board is plugged in. Every sketch will open with two functions, a void setup that runs once and a void loop that runs in a loop. Do not delete these functions. The last step is to change the theme. You can choose light or dark. That's it. You are ready to write your first program in the Arduino Integrated Development Environment.